guys? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're keeping up with the coronavirus thing. So today I'm going to show my tests using the Godot engine for lighting. So we have a procedural sky and a directional light coming in, and we have these plane meshes that I exported from Blender, and a bunch of planes that I downloaded from the internet. And what I'm testing is the performance and what the landscape looks like with the sky and this procedural landscapes looking like a lake down here, looking beautiful. Okay, yeah, they look like crap. I did not bother putting the shaders for the water and all that, but it's a nice test. It's also a nice test for the performance to see what kind of grid this will be able to handle. Yeah, let me fly you over so you can see. As you can see, it does look beautiful. The light definitely needs to be more, but all the planes are reflecting in the right direction with a proper grass shader and a bunch of trees from, yeah, we should make it look like a forest and all that, which is pretty good. We do have some activity down here. We have this sphere that has a lot of issues. It's being pulled by this cube. This cube every 2 seconds pivots itself to that sphere, and since it's rotating, it lifts the sphere up and then lets it go, and then this one is left for gravity. It's interesting.